Are you recording it?
Yeah. Having fun in Fashion District now?
I don't care about fashion right now. I want to eat.
Shut up. Look at where we are. This ghetto piece of neighborhood. Oh.
I have to zoom in to look at that.
And the outfits?
Yeah.
I don't know how to zoom. Oh wait. This is where we're gonna come next year for Pride. Our little stripper outfit. Where are we going tomorrow, Mel? Disneyland. What time?
Woo! Disneyland.
Early
8
in the morning?
a.m.
Oh my.
No, we're gonna wake up at 8 a.m.
Yeah, we're probably gonna wake up at 11. We're gonna go at like 2, probably.
Alright.
We need to buy sun.